Experiencing dropped 5G connections on your new iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max with Vodafone Australia? You're not alone. Early adopters reported issues, but the good news is most problems are easily fixed. First, ensure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18.1 or later. Apple released this update to specifically address 5G compatibility with Vodafone's network. Next, we'll dive into APN settings, which are crucial for connecting to Vodafone's data network. These steps resolve most connectivity problems. Let's configure your APN settings. Incorrect APN settings can prevent your iPhone from connecting to Vodafone's 5G network, even if you have coverage. Go to Settings Cellular, Cellular Data Options, Cellular Network. Here, manually enter the APN details. The correct APN is live.vodafone.com or live.vodafone.com.au for some users. The username and password fields should typically be left blank. Save these settings. Restart your iPhone. This forces the phone to re-establish a connection with the Vodafone network using the updated APN. This manual configuration ensures your device correctly accesses Vodafone's 5G data services. If problems persist, toggling airplane mode or resetting network settings can provide additional assistance.